Okay, we've all had this happen before. For whatever reason, you have a necklace, doesn't have a clasp, or maybe the jump ring just too small, or your clasp broke, or something. So, I'm going to show you how to fix this. What you will need is what is called a jump ring. It is a little metal ring that has a little opening right there. And if you are replacing a clasp, then you will need a new clasp. I like lobster clasps like this, but you can get them all over at basically any craft shop or on Amazon. Now, I like to use 2 sets of needle nose pliers, but if you get a set of jump rings like this, it might come with a little tool that looks like this guy. I'm going to show you how to use it. So if you do not have 2 sets of needle nose pliers, take your jump ring, your single set of needle nose pliers, get this to focus real quick. Use that to lever open. Jump ring, put it onto the end of your chain, like so. Get that out of the way, it's messing with the focus. And then close it. Now, when you're working with jump rings, you always you don't pull out, like away, always twist, because otherwise they just won't work right. So you twist open, twist close. Ta-da! Now, my chain has a bigger jump ring that will work better with this particular clasp. If you've gotten a necklace for whatever reason, it doesn't have any jump rings, just has a loop or something, once you make sure that the loop will not allow your jump ring to escape. I got this particular necklace in a grab bag of some sort, so it looks like these little loops were allowed to be too loose and let the original chain escape. So I'm going to do here, this time I'm going to show you how to do it with 2 sets of needle nose pliers, just because I find that easier. All right, it's messing with. Twist them open. Twist it open like so. Put it in the loop. And close, like so. You want to make sure basically has no opening here, no gap. If it does have a gap, then twist it open again, and push these 2 sides together, and then twist it closed. Repeat until it works. Until it is proper. Repeat until it's properly closed. This particular jump ring also has a little extender chain that I'm going to use. And here, just for fun, I'm going to use I wish I knew what this tool is called, but ring opener or something like that. Like so. Put loop in. And close. That is how you put a clasp or a jump ring or both on a necklace.